Okay, hi guys, it's Caroline coming to you from MC Beaters, and I just emptied out my I thought I recorded my soap making video, but apparently I didn't. So I just made pistachio and oatmeal soap, and it smells like you just want to eat it. I'm going to have my husband cut it. I usually get 12 bars from one, but he's going to make them a little bit thinner because they were really, really big. And so anyhow, and this is also for part of my craft fair, and then I will show you guys how I shrink wrap and package my soap. So my husband cut it up, and this smells like you want to eat it. I have to keep it away from the dogs just in case. And now I'm going to package it. Okay, so this is how they turned out. I shrunk wrapped them. I put my little sticker, handmade with love. These are pistachio and oatmeal, and I still have some candy cane ones left over. So I think those are the only soaps I'm going to be making. I'm currently going to be working on a purse charm for a friend who would like one, and I don't know. And then I'm doing necklaces and bracelets. So I'm trying to do these things in my little pockets of time because I'm full-time teaching. So this is like, I'm like all over the place. My husband was nice enough to cut it for me, the soap. And my mom is closing on her house and buying a new one. So I have 2 days to get everything out of there. So yeah, stress level really high. All right, guys. See you soon. Now it is all coming together for my soaps. I have my beaded agate necklaces. I have all my crystal necklaces packed. My chapsticks. My bead charms. My ornaments. Some more agate strung necklaces. And I have all my earrings in here, and I have all my necklaces that I'm using little clothespins to hold on here because I didn't punch holes to hang them. And then I have all my beaded bracelets. Oh, I forgot to put a little flower there. And then that's it. Alrighty, I think I'm pretty much done and prepared for Sunday. Wish us luck.